Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to SSLux.com, where luxury is an ecosystem. अब luxury एक सोच है. Luxury अगर आपका ecosystem बनता है, luxury आपके लिए एक natural way of being बनता है. That is called an ecosystem. Before I introduce my platform, which is www.SSLux.com, let's define luxury. What is luxury in the mind of people? And basically, how does the world view luxury as? एक चीज होती है, या तो आप luxury oriented हो या luxury के against, where you say simplicity is a virtue. Now, simplicity can also be luxury, and we'll talk about that in a moment. But luxury is defined by 4 or 5 things. Number 1, ये कोई आपका product है जो unique है, जो limited edition है. लिमिटेड एडिशन का मतलब वो बनाया ही इस तरह से गया था that their best capability, जिस इंसान ने वो चीज बनाई थी, their best capability, their best artistry, their best knowledge was put into use, and there was intentionally made very exclusive कि भाई सब हर एक के पास नहीं जाएगी ये चीज. ये बनी इसलिए कि जो एक्चुअली में इस चीज को अप्रिशिएट करेंगे, it will land up in their hands. So that's the first thing, which is the limited edition concept. The second is where there's a paucity, supply की limitation होती है. When you look at typically luxury में, if you see the Swiss watches, no matter how good they are, their factories are very small. 20, 25, 30, 40 लोग बैठे होते हैं. अब अगर आप 200 देशों में अपना प्रोडक्ट बेच रहे हो तो 40 लोग कैसे प्रोड्यूस करेंगे? हैंडमेड है सारा का सारा. सो जहाँ पे सप्लाई ऑटोमेटिकली लिमिटेड होती है, वो जितना मर्जी उसका क्रेव हो वो बढ़ेगी ही नहीं, तो नेचुरली प्राइस बढ़ जाएगी. इट बिकम्स अ लग्जरी. सो वेयर देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ सप्लाई, देयर इज आल्सो लग्जरी. द थर्ड वे ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग लग्जरी इज where a special skill is required. Wine making is a special skill. Whiskey making is a special skill. Perfumes is a special skill. बनाने वाले फैक्ट्री लेवल पे भी बनाते हैं. And जो connoisseurs होते हैं, they make something separate and special. So which is acclaimed by the connoisseurs, specialists कि भाई ये product या ये service is excellent, इसके लिए special skill require हुई थी, वो luxury के tag में आ जाता. अभी तक तो ठीक था. This is value to you because it adds genuine value to your life. The other three categories are a little dubious. एक होता है जहाँ brand build up किया गया as a luxury. उस brand building में millions of dollars have been put in to give the aura that indeed it is something that you need to aspire for. May or may not be value to you. May not be value in its entirety. कहीं ना कहीं पे वो marketing based luxury है. Now whether you are selling a house or you're selling a condominiums, आप जब luxury के life में जाते हैं, simple same standard products, if it is executed or marketed by some YouTuber walking through that real estate, those kind of things, it just gives you an aura of a luxury part. That's branding based luxury. The other thing is where it's a fake luxury, it's a copy, and we're going to be talking about that more. And it's a fake luxury. It is what it is. It's not luxury, it is fake. And the last category is excessive pricing. वो price आप इतनी बढ़ा देते हो that it just becomes an aspiration, जिसकी value हो या ना हो. Now there are the last two categories we have a problem with. Fake, we have a major problem with. Excessive pricing, we don't believe. We believe in value. That's exactly where we come in, and I'm going to explain what SSLux.com actually represents. Now, understanding this part as a luxury part, there is something about, oh, I feel it is aspirational, तो वो luxury है. या मैं naturally वैसा ही बना हूँ या बनी हूँ जहाँ मुझे लग्जरी पसंद है. अगर आप लग्जरी पसंद की बात करते हैं that this is what I want in my life, then you land up paying a lot of money because उसी sentiments पे the companies and brands work on that you will aspire, you will collect money, you will take your swipe your credit card, whatever you will do, you will want to achieve that. But that's exactly where we come in. SSS Lux says authentic luxury अगर आपके पास pre-owned आ जाए ना, what is the basic fundamental of good luxury is कि जो product बना था special skill से बना था, special positioning से साथ में बनाया गया है, it is made by tastefully or it is in limited capacity, whatever has defined that service or a product as luxury. Why can't we have pre-owned luxury at your doorstep जो already किसी ने use किया था? एक fundamental cause होता है luxury का, where don't forget my friends that एक जो चीज लग्जरी कहलाती है ना, वो खराब नहीं होती, वो सालों साल generations तक चलती है. You see a watch can be 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 50 lakh rupees, a crore, 2 crores, and these are the watches which go from the grandparents to the son to the children. वो खराब नहीं होती. Now that is also luxury. And the same thing when you see a car which is say 2 crores, it will go down in its value and its efficiency in 10 to 15 years anyways. वो तो खराब हो जाती है. So you'll realize that a small watch can be 5 times the price of a luxury car. So the fundamentals of luxury means sustainability, longevity, and that is for generations to keep. Now, let's define the third thing. Where do we step in? What is Triple S Luxury all about? This was fundamentally created to create an ecosystem. मेरे आसपास जहाँ भी मैं देखूँ, मुझे सिर्फ हाई क्वालिटी एट अफोर्डेबल प्राइस मिलना चाहिए. बिकॉज हाई क्वालिटी इज हाई क्वालिटी, वो दिखती है, क्वालिटी दिखती है. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट हाई क्वालिटी इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ फेक वर्सेस रियल. माय फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट. जब आप एक फेक कपड़ा लेते हो, फेक घड़ी पहनते हो, ये रोलेक्स की जो आपको सड़क पे मिलती है एक्सेट्रा, व्हाटएवर यू वेयर, it does a major damage to you. Now, it may not be that the other person who's seeing you wearing it may recognize it as a fake or not, but what will happen is your subconscious mind recognizes it. Subconscious mind, ये prefrontal cortex है, ये यहाँ पे logic होता है. Back of the mind, the whole part of the whole skull is 95% called the subconscious mind, which is at 1,000,000 times more power than the conscious mind. जब आपने अपने subconscious mind में convince कर दिया कि ये घड़ी जो मैं पहनी है, ये टी शर्ट जो मैं पहनी है, ये इट इज़ ओके अगर मैं इसको फेक भी पहनूंगा, बिकॉज लोगों को दिखना चाहिए मैंने क्या पहना है. सबकॉन्शियस माइंड ऑल्सो विल गेट प्रोग्राम लाइक दैट. वो आपको हमेशा लिमिट करेगा आपकी प्रॉस्पेरिटी को, कि भाई आप तो थोड़े से में ही खुश हो जाते हैं, आप थोड़े से में ही सेटिस्फाई, बिकॉज आपकी सेटिस्फैक्शन इंटरनल नहीं है. आप अपने लिए खुशी नहीं ढूंढ रहे हो, आप लोगों के नज़रों में आप कैसे नज़र आते हो उसमें खुशी ढूंढ रहे हो. There's a world of a difference between successful people and people who just want to be seen as successful people. And that seeing as successful people actually, my friends, becomes a way of life for decades and decades. कि आप बस दिखते ही रहोगे सक्सेसफुल होगे कभी नहीं. बहुत बड़ा ये डैमेज होता है जब आप एक फेक चीज उठाते हो. It is okay to have a non-branded product. For example, Massimo Dutti के आप टी-शर्ट्स देखो, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. Perona देखो, they are Indian brands now, they are trying to make their headways. ब्यूटिफुल ब्रांड्स, कोई ना लोगो है ना कुछ है, सिंपल है, हाई क्वालिटी फैब्रिक है एंड नॉट एक्सपेंसिव. दैट इज ओके टू वेयर रादर देन वेयरिंग अ बालमैन पेरिस व्हिच इज फेक, और अ बॉस, और व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू वेयर, और अ गुची और समथिंग, बिकॉज आप अपने लिए डैमेज कर रहे हो. वो जिंदगी में फ्रेश, ब्रांड न्यू, ऑथेंटिक गुची कभी आएगी नहीं. वो हमेशा एक सेल के बाद दूसरी सेल, तीसरी सेल, जहाँ पे फेक मिलती है वहीं जाओगे आप, वहीं से उठा के ले आओगे. फेवरेट ऑफ प्लेसेस ऑफ अ फ्यू ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स एट वन टाइम, जब हम कॉलेज में थे, इनिशियल टाइम्स थे, वाज पालिका बाजार, जाके घड़ियाँ उठाते रहते थे. वो ये टाइम आया कि वो जिंदगी बीत गई. मैंने लुक बैक एंड से, अरे इतनी सारी घड़ियाँ थी, बांट दी, लेकिन अपने पास एक ही घड़ी है जो अच्छी है, क्योंकि घड़ी रेल वाली नहीं खरीद पाए. ये इतना बड़ा डैमेज है आपकी प्रॉस्पेरिटी पे. फॉरगेट अबाउट व्हाट पीपल सी यू एज, वियर क्वालिटी स्टफ. Now this, so let's talk about, जब मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ quality stuff, तो triplslux.com कहाँ फिट होता है आपकी जिंदगी में? ये एक रिटेल साइट है which is sale and purchase. यहाँ पे वॉचेस है, surely you can put your own watch for sale. आपका बॉक्स है, आपके पास सर्टिफिकेट है, वारंटी कार्ड की कॉपीज कुछ भी है, ऑथेंटिक है, you can put it up for sale. At this point in time when I'm recording this video, I have over 500,000, 500,000 followers in my little ecosystem of my numerology world. If I have that product, I can take it to people who genuinely want your product. Provided you have a genuine product, then you can also purchase it from the website, because the same thing applies to you. Whatever we will put in, we will never compromise on quality. That's been my way of life. In any case, whatever I've done in my past, it continues to be like that. You'll get good quality stuff. So that's simple sale and purchase. Then there is services on that sale and purchase, which means you can upgrade that watch. You can, it's an old watch lying unutilized. You've grown out, you've gone into other watches. You want to add some lab diamonds to it. Lab grown diamonds होते हैं. You want to convert that normal watch into a pure gold watch. We have excellent craftsmen in India. They are very, very talented just to make that watch very nicely decorated. So that उसको watch को आप शादी में पहन सकते हैं, कभी पहन सकते हैं, which means आपने उस watch की enhance कर दी जो आज की तारीख में कवर्ड में unused पड़ी हुई है, and it has no value of sale in any case. The bigger problem about the watch industry is, you buy an expensive watch, you need a place where you can service the watch. So we have that servicing of the watch facility also across the country. Then the other thing is authentication of the watch. कि आप अपनी वॉच को बेचना चाह रहे हैं, तो जो खरीदार है वो पहले आपसे बोलेगा, जी मेरे को सर्टिफिकेट दीजिए, मुझे बिल दीजिए. अगर आपके पास आज वो बिल और सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है तो क्या करेंगे आप? आप अपनी घड़ी को ऑथेंटिकेट कराएंगे because you spend so much of money buying that watch whenever you did buy. So we also have authentication services with us where your genuineness of watch is authenticated. Now that's just with the watch industry. Now the sale and purchase or retail goes into other things, collectibles like vintage pens are there, eyewear is there, cameras are there, typewriters, gramophones, radios, beautiful collectibles जो आप अपने as a gift to your friends or part of your decoration in the house. It just adds that little flavor of antiquity, that vintage flavor. Now you completely enhance your room with a little stand में gramophone पड़ा है, एक stand में आपका एक camera पड़ा है, एक कोने पे पड़ा है. It just adds so much. So we have taken so much of pain going into the bylanes of Rajasthan and places where these genuine products are sold, and now we have a whole supply chain of it. You'll see it in the website as well, of collectibles which are vintage in nature. What's the other expensive thing, for example, is in eyewear. एक eyewear है, एक specs है. ये तो आपको 50,000 से लेके 3-4 लाख रुपए के होते हैं. What's the point of spending so much on this? You have eyewear, a few eyewear already on the website, which are at 50% discount. Eyewear आपको मालूम है, एक frame तो कभी खराब होता ही नहीं, वो तो lifelong चलता है. Now you want to have more than one frames. You want to have that little thing about, oh, I want to match my frame with the kapda, with the watches I wear, whatever you want to be matching your frames with, you can pick up frames. And then it goes into pens, it goes into other things. So that's the vintage and collectible section. Then comes, the art part of it. Art is a big investment. These are investors' life. Then there is a whole lot of thing about genuineness of art. We have specialists for collecting arts. So we have art on display. There is a friend of mine who wanted to sell his MF Hussain. Now, obviously, when you have an MF Hussain, you need authentication. You just can't put it up on the website. So to get it authenticated, to get it earmarked as what should be the price of it, which there are grades of art where you buy an art at higher quality, medium quality, mediocre quality. That grading happens before the pricing is put. The entire picture of showing the art, explaining the art, taking the person to see the art, all of that is done at the website. And it's a big market. Trust me, art investment, as a consultant, we have people who can even help you understand how to invest in art. Then comes cars, luxury cars, limited of course right now. We ensure that the cars that we are putting up as a second-hand cars, of course we have a tie-up directly with the dealer, but the dealers were selected right now only in the NCR, but very, very thoughtfully selected, where we know that these cars are very little utilized, which means either they are owned by the BMW or the Mercedes car companies. They're company cars. They're not individual cars. They're certified and warranty is extended and everything is put in place, including insurance services, including resale services, including servicing services. All of that is put up before one car is put up in front of you. That kind of effort has gone into bringing this website up. And the list is going to go on, but I'm going to cover up almost everything because so that you know that you're indeed coming to a very, very special zone. So what is more special about this website is jewelry, customized jewelry. Now this is all about, we love to have jewelry in lab-grown diamond. It's very clear, very well researched. The lab-grown diamond is chemically exactly the same as a natural diamond. It has been proven, it has been authenticated. Every diamond company has started making it, and a lot of people I know in Surat have started manufacturing it because they know the quality is not compromised. So I believe in it. You can Google it up, you can do your R&D to understand what a lab-grown diamond is. So we have specialists who design as per what you want, especially for men, bracelets, brooches, stuff like that, where you can just put up a query on my website. If you have a few pictures there, I want a bracelet for myself, what's the size, what kind of pricing, all of that. And then the whole game starts of making the product for you and then shipping it right at your doorstep. Now this obviously goes in for most extensive women jewelry, large necklaces and stuff like that. So you'll find a lot of these fantastic designs already on the website. Now this is about retail and sales, and my gut feeling says that as we move along, there'll be many more people who will approach us for their products because we are hungry for authentic product, we are hungry for high quality stuff, and we are hungry for people who really understand what it is to give value for money to the clients. Let's move on to the second section of this website. It is the listing services. Listing services, when we say an ecosystem banta hai, तो सिर्फ आप खरीदते बेचते नहीं, आपके आसपास भी अगर आप कुछ कर रहे हैं, सो वी सेड ओके व्हाई कांट वी हैव प्रीमियम business setup services. So we have a highly specialized company out of Dubai who can help you set up your company in Dubai. Setting up a company in Dubai is luxury, isn't it? It is also tax haven, isn't it? It is also extending your market reach to the global market of Europe and the entire Middle East, isn't it? So that is luxury. So we have listing services. At this point in time, we have a company from Dubai. We have golden visa services out of Portugal. You know what? A Portugal gold visa, for those who want it, opens the door to about 189 countries where you are not required to have a visa form. All of that and much more is going to be coming in, but that's where we started with. So listing services has become a very, very important aspect of it. Listing services will also ensure one day that we have jets on rent, we have yachts on rent. All of those companies we are talking to and ensuring that the quality of product that they have, the quality of jets that they have, the experience of the pilots that they have is high quality only. And we're in the process of doing that conversations with them. There's another aspect of it which SSS Lux will, Lux.com brings to you. And that aspect is consulting services, consultancy. We want, जब मैं लक्ष्मी जी की बात करता हूँ, I used to teach a program called SSS Money Magnet 1. तो उसमें एक फंडामेंटल ऑफ मनी मेकिंग होता है कि फेक तो कभी होता है कि आप फेक मत पहनना बिकॉज उससे आपकी मनी लक खराब होती है. बट एक और चीज़ होती है फॉर द मनी लक इज कि आप जो दिखते हो मिरर में वही यूनिवर्स को बिकते हो. आपने कभी भी लक्ष्मी जी को, आपने कभी भी विष्णु जी को सादे वस्त्रों में नहीं देखा. दे आर द गॉड्स ऑफ मनी एंड प्रोस्पेरिटी. Any money god, चाहे वो जापानीज कल्चर में हो, चाहे वो चाइनीज कल्चर में हो, they are always dressed nicely. You know the world of angels, there's an angel called Abundantia, very nicely dressed. तो हमेशा जब आप लक्ष्मी की बात करोगे, मनी की बात करते हो, then you are obviously you're dressing up well. So we have consulting services around that also. How do I start my watch collection life? मेरे पास 20,000 रुपए पड़े हैं, 30,000 रुपए पड़े हैं सिर्फ. मैं एक अच्छी वॉच खरीदना चाहता हूँ जो मेरी वॉच की कलेक्शन का पहला स्टेप है. From there to the fact that I have to collect, I want to invest in a watch. What's the best watch to invest in? उसका लास्ट 10 साल का ग्राफ क्या था, उसकी आज की वैल्यू क्या है, पोटेंशियली उसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी. All of that is just about the watches. And it goes on to the fact that okay, here is my budget. मेरी इतनी सैलरी है, मैं एक I want to make my shoes and my belts match. I want to make my suit looking nice. What kind of dressing should I do? You know what? We'll tell you from the shirt color to the tie to the handkerchief on your suit to the t-shirt and the sweatshirt that you'll wear with your trouser to the matching shoes that will require to be worn at every price level. You want 5 lakhs to be spent in one outfit? Done. You want 20,000 to be spent in the entire outfit? Done. You want 10,000 to be spent in that outfit? Done. It is going to be a per hour consulting services. You will fill up a form, and at that point in time, you will tell us your budget and what is your requirement. In that 1 hour, my specialist will be prepared to give you a list of how you should be dressing up and what color and fabric of the cloth should be your next buy. Rather than always standing in the next sale that you see around and going and buying a shirt, more of the same, making the same mistakes. It tells you about how to dress up in your eyewear, how to match your straps. You can always refresh your watches by changing just the straps. So you have a watch for 10 years, you buy 2 or 3 straps, you have a new watch every 2 years. There is so much more in our consulting services. It's going to help you groom, it's going to help you get ready for interviews, it's going to help you get ready for power dressing, it's going to help you be ready for casual, smart dressing so that in the eyes of the beholder, which is the world, you're always up to date. There is so much value in that, and that's a real ecosystem. SSS Lux is not about a luxury website, it is about creating beauty all around. जो हम लोग हैं ना वो इतने फिनिकी हैं कि सड़क पे कुछ कपड़ा भी मिलता है ना, कागज पड़ा हुआ होता है तो हम चुपचाप जाके डस्टबिन में रख देते हैं. भैया सफाई होनी चाहिए. गाड़ी में भी बैठेंगे ना तो गाड़ी में मिट्टी नहीं होती कभी, गाड़ी अंदर से भी बाहर से भी साफ होनी चाहिए, चाहे मुझे अपने को खुद करनी पड़े अगर मेरा गाड़ी का साफ करने वाला इंसान नहीं आया. गंदी गाड़ी में मैं नहीं बैठूंगा, खुद ही करने पड़ेगा तो करूंगा. उस थॉट प्रोसेस को उसको इकोसिस्टम कहते हैं. उस थॉट प्रोसेस से जब आप लग्जरी की बात करते हो, दुनिया आपको देखेगी किसी और नज़र से. एंड द गुड थिंग अबाउट लग्जरी, यू नो व्हाट इट इज, लग्जरी उसको कहते हैं, द लास्ट पार्ट इज जहाँ अपने मन में खुशी हो, नॉट कि लोग क्या देख रहे हैं. So there's a sense of mission in whatever we do. And this is the way Triple S Lux is going to be coming alive. My friends, every night when you scroll that website, you'll find something new. Something new. And you'll always, it's like your home to come back as a de-stress place to do some nice window shopping. Once in a while, pick up something as well. Who knows? So I hope this video does tell you about the gist of what our journey is going to be. Here is my website URL on your screen. We'll see you there. Be a part of our family. God bless.